I think it's in. So, hindi pa rin naman nagbago yung price pero meron na tayong 2.5. Hey! So, there's more reason now to get the Wi-Fi 7 routers than meron na tayong 2.5. Again, I would still suggest against it kasi hindi pa rin siya kasing stable ng Wi-Fi 6. And mahal pa rin ang mga Wi-Fi 7 device. Pero marami ka namang Wi-Fi 7 device. You're that rich of a guy. Then, your choice. You can now take advantage of the routers na may 2.5 LAN port and also, yeah, 2.5. Pero again, I would really suggest, kailangan mo ba talaga ng ganyang kabilis? Is 1 GB not enough? And marami ka ba talaga appliances or devices na gagamit niyan? And so on and so forth. Kasi hindi biro ang 5K per month, buddy. Wala, update lang eh.